Excuse me, can I show you some magic?
Yes, please.
Choose one.
Share a lesson from nature that inspires lifelong learning. Oh, good one. The thing that comes to my mind is kind of the constant reminder that I get from nature and from universe, which is patience and listening. Nature is not in a rush. It has its own seasons, its own movement, rhythm, cycles.
More
I
eco.
mean, nature, there's a lot of
Eco.
fight in ego nature, I think so, too.
Eco nature.
Yeah, but yeah, there's something about the more natural cycles not needing to rush that much. That, yeah, I find it
Cool.
really helpful.
High five.